This is our sign shop sign letter cutting machine. It'll cut letters and numbers out of foam up to 8 inches thick. And we just cut a B showing on the end there, and we're going to recut that so you can see the dynamics of the machine. It has 4 axes. You can see the tower with the 2 axes here that carry the hot wire, and it's driven by 4 stepper motors. There's one, and there's another one right there. These are 282 ounce-inch stepper motors. There's 4 of them. It's a hot wire machine, and you can see the hot wire right there with the wire here attached and the wire on the other side. Spring-loaded tension to it. The control box for the motors is the blue box there with the power supply and the stepper motor drivers. The cable that comes out goes to the computer, and this is a compact computer, a 1.8 gigahertz Pentium 4, and it's running Foamworks that has the B set up and ready to run. And the hot wire is controlled by a power stat transformer similar to the one under there, and through a bridge rectifier with wires going to the hot wire. So we're going to start the cut right now and observe that cut. We're going to cut at 20 inches a minute. When we make the cut, I'll hit begin cut here, and the hot wire will start moving through the foam, and as you'll see that little red, it turns red right there as it makes its cut. Now we're over to the hot wire to the cut. You can see the cut happening here, the hot wire going through the foam at 20 inches a minute. It takes around a minute to a minute and a half to make this full cut. It's going down on one part of the B, and it'll go vertical, and then it'll go in, and it's actually going to go in towards the center and cut the eye out of the top part of the B first, and then it'll go down and cut the eye out of the bottom part, and then it'll come out and cut the finish outer portion of the B. And so it's coming up right now. It's going to make the inside cut on the B. Got a little scar on the foam right there. Yeah, the wire's a little bit hot, but I turned down just a tiny tad. It's going to finish the inside eye of the top half of the B. I'm going to push it out so you can see it when that finishes, which it's finished right now. There's the inside of the B, going down to cut the lower inside portion out. The ticking you hear is typical of stepper motors. They work in steps, very small steps, but it does create a little harmonic vibration which doesn't affect the cut. Here comes to the lower portion inside of the B. It's a little bigger cutout than the